Hello my hairstyles lovers! Today I'm gonna create 3 amazing looking special occasion hairstyles using only a donut sponge. Of course you can make it at home by yourself, and let's get started. So we'll begin by making a low ponytail, making sure everything is nice and smooth. I like to leave some hair out to frame my face, but that's optional. Then you want to pull just a bit your crown section to make it voluminous. Now you want to grab a clear elastic. I usually like to double them just in case, and then to bring through the elastic 2 bobby pins like I'm showing. Now you want to bring your ponytail up. Fix your ponytail using this construction of elastics and bobby pins like I'm showing, holding it with your hand like that. Now you want to grab your donut sponge and stretch it a bit and pin it from the side like I'm showing. Now you want to bring your ponytail over the donut sponge, making sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to twist it and bring it to one side and hide it under the donut sponge like I'm showing. If your hair is longer, make sure to wrap it several times before securing it with a clear elastic. Now you want to pin from the sides your bun to make it smooth and beautiful looking. You can accessorize it like I did, or leave it as it is because it's so beautiful. For the next hairstyle, we want to make a middle ponytail. Again, I like to leave some hair out to frame my face. Then you want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through this opening. Now grabbing your donut sponge, you want to bring it through the ends of the ponytail and rub the hair around the donut like I'm showing by stretching it. Then you want to pin it from the both up and lower side of the donut sponge using bobby pins or grips like I did. Now you want to stretch the hair to cover your donut bun and of course pin it to secure it, like that. Again, you can add some accessories or leave it as it is because it's so beautiful. For the next hairstyle, we want to select our top section. Now you want to tie it using a clear elastic, pull it to make it fuller and voluminous, and then you want to grab your side sections, tie them and twist them. Now you want to pull it a bit to make it effortlessly looking. Grabbing your top section, you want to bring it up and bringing to the side the lower section. You want to crisscross 2 big bobby pins or maybe more if your hair is thicker. Bring the top section again back, and you want to bring again your donut bun through this section and twist it, pinning it in place like I'm showing. For the next step, you want to make sure that your hair is nice and smooth. Bring it to opposite side, tie the ends with a clear elastic. Wrap your hair around your fingers, and then you want to tuck your hair into the bun, hiding the ends and pin it in place. Accessorize it and you're done. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's buns because these are perfect bridal, wedding, prom, any special occasion hairstyle. Tell me please in comments down below which of these hairstyles was actually your favorite. But that's it for today, guys, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye.